Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel. In the last video I have shown you outline drawing of Roger Federer. In this video I will shade the picture. I am starting the shading from the eyes. For shading the eyes I am using 4B pencil. Now I am using paper stump to smudge the graphite and creating highlights by using pencil eraser. Now I am using 8B pencil for darkening the pupil of the eyes. Friends, you can see shading of the eyes is complete. Now I am applying first layer of shading in the face by using 2B pencil. Please observe how I am shading the face. It should be slow and smooth. Now I am using tissue paper for blending purpose, and in the nose I am using paper stump. Now I am applying second layer of shading in the face by using the same 2B pencil to dark the shade as per need. Second layer shading is complete, and once again I am using brush for blending the graphite evenly all over the face. Now I am using paper stump Now I am drawing the teeth by using 2B pencil. For shading inside the mouth, I have used 2B pencil. Now friends, you can see I am using paper stump inside the mouth and using 4B pencil to darken the shading as per need. My shading of the lips is complete. Now I am using kneadable eraser for creating the highlights needed in the face. And I am using mechanical eraser in the lip line for creating highlights. And once again I am using 2B pencil for finalizing the lip. Please observe where I am holding the pencil. And now I am once again using brush for blending purpose. Shading of the face is complete. Now I am drawing the hair. For first layer of shading in the hair, I am using 4B pencil. This is the first layer. Several times I have to use paper stump, and after that I have to darken the shade again as per the necessity. To give the perfect look. You can see friends, first layer of shading is complete. Now I am giving the dark shade by using 8B pencil. Wherever shadow is dark. Now I am using brush for smudging purpose. I am using 4B pencil for drawing some stray hairs. Now I am using 12B pencil for creating the dark shade. This is the darkest shade you can see. That's why I am using 12B pencil over here. Now I am using 6B pencil. Wherever shadow is not so much dark. And once again I am using 12B pencil. Four grades of pencils I have used to set the hair: 4B, 6B, 8B and 12B. Now I am shading the hair by using 8B pencil and 2B pencil. Now I am creating highlights in the hair by using pencil eraser. My shading of the hair is complete. Now I am shading the neck by using 2B pencil. For smudging I am using paper stump in the neck. Now I am shading the t-shirt by using 2H pencil, as it is a white t-shirt. And now I am using paper stump for blending the graphite in the t-shirt. You can see, friends, my portrait is complete. If you like my effort, please keep supporting me. Like this video, share it with your friends, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel. Keep watching my videos. Thank you.